Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world in remarkable ways, from improving public services and infrastructure to transforming how we approach societal challenges.
Is there a way by which AI can understand the learning patterns of students, the deficiencies that they have, look at the learning outcomes that they have been delivering, and provide interventions focused on the student?
I think all of us have to embrace the responsibility of ensuring that AI is deployed in a manner that it is consistent with the laws of the land, of the country. It respects human rights and also is aligned to values of privacy, equity, and fairness. What we do today is our future.